Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing both the original footage and the replacement asset into After Effects. This gives you the materials to work with. Next, create a composition matching the clip's frame rate and resolution so nothing rescales unexpectedly. Now start the first actionable step. Run 3.2D tracking or a camera track on the clip, choosing clear, high-contrast reference points. This generates tracking data you'll use to lock the replacement in place and explains why stable points are essential for accurate motion. Once the tracking data exists, edit its target and apply it to a null object or the camera so you have a transform reference. Parent your replacement layer to that null or convert the replacement into a 3D layer. This makes it inherit position and rotation automatically. Then, refine scale and perspective. Use corner pin for planar surfaces or mesh warp if the surface bends. These steps fix how the asset sits in the scene and explain why matching perspective prevents floating or stretching. To finish, match the replacement's color and lighting so it reads as part of the shot. Apply curves, levels, or lumetry adjustments and scope check with the histogram. Mask any visible edges and add motion blur to match shutter characteristics. Pre-compose and render a short test to confirm timing. If you see drift or slipping, go back. Stabilize the original track, increase tracking point count, or add manual keyframes to correct small offsets. This troubleshooting step explains how to recover a failing track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.